Every time may nakikita akong kinakasal, I always imagine myself as the bride.
Iya, how old are you?
Turning 25 pa lang, ho.
25? That's the finish line. The finish line!
Sino magpapakasal? Ako? Marriage is not for me. Never.
I hate him!
Upo sabi! Brat!
Isa siyang uod na masarap tapak-tapakan at dikdik-dikdikin! Makikita ng buwisit na yan. Kakasal din ako.
Teka. Alam na ba ng lalaki na pakakasalan ka niya?
May sumpa sa mga kabayan sa pamilya natin.
Pag 25 years old na babae at wala pa siyang asawa, that's it! Old maid na siya for life!
I found the perfect date for
Eh di naka-enkwentro mo ng amo saya?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
MILF.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Traffic?
And he is excited to meet you. Oh, yes!
You still remember your partial differential equation? How about statistics? Regression analysis?
What? Siguro dapat rin kitang ihanda para maging perfect para sa kanya.
Anong ibig mo sabihin?
Ang ibig ko sabihin kailangan makilala kita. Eh, paano niya malalamang na in love na nga siya?
Nag-iiba raw ang tibok ng puso niya.
Tok.
Kakakilig. Now, Rico, I want to ask you, just like in the movie na magkakaroon ng happy ending, sa tingin mo ba, sa loob ng puso mo, si Claudine na talaga ang babae para sa'yo habang buhay?
Of course, ever since I got into a relationship with Claudine, and we've been going 4 years, I know for a fact that in my heart always says yes whenever the name of Claudine is mentioned. So, hopefully, when the day of reckoning comes and I decide to go the next step, then hopefully Claudine will give the same answer that my heart gave.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, kailan ipapalabas ito?
February 27 po, Got to Believe. This is directed by Olivia Lamasan under Star Cinema. Sana po panoorin ninyo.
That's right. It's on the Star Cinema, and in line with the movie, mga kaibigan, on Wednesday po, pagdating ng day of showing, ang first 50 moviegoers who will present their talk and text number will get a free gift from the wireless centers located sa mga malls where the movie is shown. Just present your talk and text number and your movie ticket, and you will get a special gift from Talk and Text.
Yeah, thank you so much to Mick and to Hair Bites.
Alright. Okay, wag po kayong alis. Magbabalik ang Talk TV.
Thank you sa ating guest. Pasensya na, kulang sa oras. Dr. Holmes, thank you. Nikki.
But yeah, we'd like to greet Carlo Muñoz a belated happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Yeah,
Carlo.
birthday niya kahapon. Thank you, Hair Bites.
Thank you. So don't forget, Feb 27 na, be there first in line sa...
Yes, of course. One more thing we'd like to thank Molecules and Particles for sponsoring the mall tour and the Fans Day yesterday sa SM Manila. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah, and also sa Cosana.
Yes, thank you.
Red and TJ, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Believe
we'll
in
see
the
you
magic.
again
Watch the
tomorrow.
movie.
Dito pa rin sa
Talk
TV!